Good morning, beloved. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. That's close to 59.
Never even had that option. We had to either fight, we had to fight to the death and either win or lose.
For those of y'all followed me, kala mo ang dami, you know? Welcome to week 4 of me going back to powerlifting block. I posted squat and bench. I did like 150 doubles for squat and then 85 doubles for bench. So I'm looking at 415 pero double, so that's going to be like 830 kg total. I just woke up and then it's a good day to lift 830 kg. Dapat doubles pero feeling ko hindi ko na maangat yung second rep. We failed but nagawa ko pa rin yung top set. Ilan ba? 600 something total for the week 4 block.